Hi everyone. If you love clothing unboxings, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Hi everyone, it's Heather with Life with Heather G. I am back with a Stitch Fix unboxing. I have not even opened my box yet, so I'm going to open it right now and see what I got. And I don't know if I asked for anything this time in particular. And if you don't know, Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription box where you pay $20 styling fee and get like 5 items sent to you. If you don't like anything, you send it back. And if you want to keep something, you get your $20 back off on whatever you purchase. They send you the mail envelope to send your clothes back, which makes it nice. It already has your stuff on there. They give you the pricing sheet to let you know how much everything is. There is a $25 or 25% discount if you buy everything. Then they give you little cards with all of your items that they sent to you. So it says, "Hi there, Heather. Happy Fix Day and welcome back. I hope you are having a great week and that you are looking forward to adding some fun new pieces to your closet. Let's dive in and take a look at what I chose for you this time around. You will love the look and feel of the skinny jeans in just black." Oh, nice. I love that brand. Plus, I love their jeans. All of their jeans. They are cool and classic, and they have a high-rise fit that you are looking for, which I did ask for high-rise. Try pairing the waffle knit sweater with them for a casual style. Love the crossback accent on the gingham top. Is this your style? It looks adorable with leggings for an athleisure look. It's nice to have the options and with a set of earrings. So it looks like they sent a pack of earrings. Each pair is dedicated, but sorry, I'm not reading this right. Each pair is delicate, but will still make a statement. I did the camel color. Oh, I didn't have the camel color coat, so I did ask for something because I did ask for a camel color coats. But it looks like they could not find that. They sent one by Coffee Shop. Hope you love it. Cheers, Nikki. And I did have Nikki before, so I have liked her and I've stayed with her for a little while. So I will get in and show you what I have in my box. Okay, so first bundle. Oh, wow. Oh, that looks pretty. Nice. It's funny because I usually don't like a lot of sweaters. I'm gonna put this down so you can kind of see. I don't usually like to keep a lot of sweaters because I get hot, but I have been loving the sweaters they have been sending. So I don't know. Ooh, this one is so soft. Oh my goodness. This is so soft. Like, I think I'm gonna like this. Oh, that's Pink Clover too. I think I said in my last box, I usually keep everything from Pink Clover. This is soft and I like the bottom. Just kind of straight down. But oh my goodness, if you could feel this. And that color is kind of what I have in my wardrobe. I do neutrals. That way I can mix and match everything, and I love that. Okay, next one. So she said this was purple. I would call this a navy, and I'm so thankful it's not purple. But this looks more navy to me in person than a purple. Anyways, it does have that back detail on it. Very lightweight top. But I would say that's kind of in my colors too. I didn't see this one on her description. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 6 items in this bag. How did I do that? How did I get 6 in here? This isn't on my sheet either, so I don't know how I got this, and it's a size medium. It's not even my size. I'm a large. I think this got put in here by accident, whatever. But it's super soft. I'm gonna try it on anyways, even if it might not fit. I really like it. It's super soft, and it is kind of like it's more like that reddish and navy, which again, are in my colors, so I like that. I will try it on, although a medium's not gonna fit me, I'm sure. But that is not supposed to be in here. Anyway, so the earrings. I have seen other people open these ones. And I do like that there's several different ones to choose from. I do like these longer ones right here and these little hoops. And those are by Kidia. And as I try these on, I'll put the price next to me when I try it on so that you can see all that. Ooh. Again, I just got a dark wash jean, the Sam Edelman dark wash jeans, and these are too, these are dark as well. A little bit different at the bottom. They have that frayed hem, but man, just blacks are just so stinking comfortable. I can feel those right now. So I'll tell you, I kind of like everything. This is not going to be good. Okay, last thing. I asked for a camel color coat, and this is not really what I like, the more classic style, beige type coat. And this is a huge, oh my goodness. It's got like fur on the inside. I'm not sure about it. However, it's almost that army green. I mean, I'll try it on. Not really my style, like at all. But we'll try it on and find out, and I will be right back. All right, so this is the first top. This is the pink clover, and it is so stinking soft. And then I have on the just black jeans too. So I'll step back so you can see. Those jeans are just that dark wash I like. This is nice and long and flowy. A good color. I will try on the next outfit. Okay, so I have the second shirt on. And this is that like gingham athleisure type shirt. It does look a little more purple on camera, but I feel like it looks more navy in person. Anyways, it's very wrinkly. So I'm gonna step back so you can see it a little bit. And it's long. So they're right, it would look cute with leggings. And then of course you have the back detail where you can see that. So, I mean, it's comfy. There's nothing much to it. It is very like flowy and wrinkly, but it's cute. I like it. So I'll be right back. All right, I'm gonna show you the shirt that I'm sure was not supposed to be in my box because it's a medium. So I can't even get the top button buttoned up here. So I will just show it to you anyways, just for fun. Okay. I do like the colors. Like I love the colors, but dude, this is not. Yeah, it's definitely tight here and it won't button here. And if I did, yeah, it wouldn't look good. So anyways, this was not supposed to be in here, it's not on my list. So I think it's a mistake. Anyways, I tried them on. I'm gonna try on the coat and I'll be right back. Okay, I'll just tell you ahead of time, this is not my style at all, but it's also a large and it is what I usually wear, but this is super tight as well. So I will show it to you real quick. All this fur and hood up here. I can't stand that. And I think that it has this fur on the inside and it makes it super, super thick feeling. But you can tell here again in my bust. And all my large shirts fit just fine, but for some reason, this one does not. Like, and this would bother me up in my hair all the time. Like it's super, super not me. Okay, so we're here for the recap. And like I said, I'll put the prices as I'm trying them on. I'll put them next to them so you guys can see it. So the one, we'll go with this. This is called the Betsy Loose Woven Knit Pullover by Pink Clover. And I like this. I mean, it's just a very basic piece, but it's cozy and neutral, which I like. I actually didn't mind this one either. It's a little bit more of a very thin see-through type material that can get very wrinkly. So I'm not sure about that. But I mean, again, it's a basic and it's comfy. And that one is called the Revitalized Crossback Top by Guillaume. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but I think it's Guillaume. So that was okay too. And this one again is not on my list at all. So So I have no idea where this came from, but it doesn't fit. So I will not be keeping that for sure. The earrings I like, and the coat. This thing is so thick and heavy, and I'm telling you, I love the look of this inside. Look at this. All this fur is inside. I think it makes it a little bit snug fit. Just feels like you're all poofy in there, and I don't like that. And then this all is up in your head. Like, so I'm sure it'd be warm, but totally not what I was going for when I asked her for a camel color coat. I want a camel classic color coat. This is not me, just FYI. But that is called, just in case you want to know about that coat, it's called the Devian Cinched Coat by Coffee Shop. So, yep, that's not me. All right, I actually forgot to go over the Just Black. So I do love these. However, I did just buy a pair from Sam Edelman and another dark pair from Can. So I probably don't need these ones, although they are always super comfy. If you get Just Black or have ever had Just Black, I would definitely recommend them. These are in a size 6, colors indigo. And then they're just the frayed hem skinny jean. But these are amazing, but I will not be keeping them, unfortunately. So out of this box, my favorite is probably, I mean, the earrings and probably this cozy sweater. I mean, those are probably my 2 favorites out of this whole box. But why don't you let me know down below what you think, what you thought looked good on me. Maybe I should send it all back and try again. I did get the pass this time, so now I got the $49 off this box. And then I can get all year long a box without having to pay that $20 styling fee. But then again, I don't get that $20 styling fee off my box either, so we'll see. But I will get another one in 2 weeks, so I can try again. I guess that is all for my box. Again, please comment below with what you liked, and I will see you in my next unboxing. See ya! I hope by now that you've subscribed to my channel, and if you just hit that little notification bell, that'll let you know when I upload another video. Thanks!